everybody, this is your nutrition in 90 seconds. So today I'm going to do a product review on something that I found at Dollar Tree. Mini bars, sesame and nut bars. I saw these the other day, and I think I saw them before, but I decided to actually purchase them the other day. So, Dollar Tree does have some healthier snack options. It's budget friendly, of course. So these little bars are like 3 a serving, 6 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber. So they're actually little small bars, so they actually packed with, protein, fiber, and all that. So I thought they were pretty good. So this is something you could add to your snack list. You know me, I like to make healthy snacks, energy bars. I like to do that myself. But also, if I can find some healthy snacks that that taste pretty good, I will purchase those. So this is something you can try out at Dollar Tree. They do have some healthier options for you. So just keep taking steps to where you want to be. And remember, small steps equals big change. So even in your snacking, you still may want to crunch. You still may want something sweet, that's fine. But just find ways, to get a healthier version of what you like. Just take those small steps. So let me show you these again. Mini bars. And they're really small, really mini. But I think you'll probably like them. Just something to give you a little crunch, but give you a little taste. And they're still pretty much healthier option than most other snacks that you may find. But that's all for today. And don't forget to check out www.stepsforchange.net, my website for more recipes, the recipe book, Tasty Tuesday tip. And I will see y'all next time.